Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another Monday video. And the reason for all this smile and happiness is because I had an amazing week. And the first lesson is we completed a year, so I was very happy. And also I was very happy with the video that I created because I was planning to create a good quality video. And by God's grace, the right equipment came at the right time and I was very happy I could deliver that result. And second thing, I got to watch Champions League with my friends. Like I binge watched basically. Like we were on a call on WhatsApp and we were just having fun. So that was something I was looking forward to. And the third thing is I had an amazing work week because I got to work on something new and that is stop motion. I created a video with more than 400 photos and the result that came was so crisp and nice. Once it's out, I'll put it in the comment section. Right now I can't share that with you, but yeah. So work was good and everything went good and I was very happy. Now looking forward for a new week and new challenges. Completing a year was awesome, but I thought that let's share the journey, how it started and how I've reached here, and I thought that that will be helpful for someone who's starting out there. For the people who are new here, I just want to share that I started my YouTube journey on 2017. 19th of September is when I uploaded my first video after watching these hundreds of Casey Neistat video. I gathered the courage like, okay, even I want to try vlogging, and I started. And I guess that was around when I was in my third year of engineering, and that's where this journey began. So in 2017, I had this phone called Eureka. So this is how I started making videos. This was the phone that started recording Gordon Mother, and I was pretty much happy with the video quality that I was getting. Back then, it didn't have video stabilization and great features, but it was a good camera and it was doing the work that it was supposed to do. And I was making videos and uploading on it. And there were events where I felt that I need a little better camera. I used to borrow my friend's phone and they used to readily give me because they knew that I'm shooting a vlog and they were very happy and excited about it, just like me. Then after that, a tragedy happened with this phone and I broke the screen. And just like everyone, I thought, okay, let's replace, and I went to a local store to replace it. It worked for 2 days and then it was dead. So I was very frustrated because I lost my phone, I can say that. So my Eureka got destroyed and I had no other phone. At that time I decided, okay, I can't immediately buy a phone. So I asked few of my friends, and thanks to Prasad, he gave me his phone. He bought a new phone and I got to use his old phone, and I made my Insta videos using this phone and a Lumia phone. I used to be very happy when I used to make videos back in my college days. Like I used to always make a memory. I used to always make memories for my friends and for myself, and I used to be very happy about it. And then after that, finally I needed a new phone, and then I had a word with my parents, and the next phone that came was Redmi Note 5. This phone is very close to my heart because when I bought this phone, I had to literally wait for 2 months because of the flash sale, and this phone was on fire. It was getting sold in seconds back then, and I used to like, oh my god, when will I get? And I was very adamant that I want this phone, I want this phone, and I want to be this one because the feature it had was amazing. It had stabilization, the video quality was damn good, and I was very happy. And finally, it came, I guess, after 2 months. I got through the flash sale and I got this phone. For a couple of years, I used this phone and it gave me amazing video results. I made wedding highlights with this. I made my traditional day video. I made my farewell video. Yes, I made many videos with this phone and my journey kept on going. And then came a GorillaPod, and this was an amazing bike because that helped me a lot. But between these, I had a selfie stick given to me by my friends, but unfortunately it got broken in an IV, so I'm not using it. GorillaPod and my Note 5 Pro was my go-to gear to make my videos. And my entire engineering videos in 4th year, the series called Daily College, which I absolutely love it, and when I'm bored I go and watch, and I wish I could go back to college. But yeah, so my 4th year entire document was on Note 5 Pro, and also thanks to my friends who back then also have helped me. Bandara camp was shot on Ajit's and Ryan's phone, and his convocation video was shot on Alan's and Ajit's phone. So yeah, I had amazing friends who were helping me in my journey to get that extra push whenever I needed with the camera, and the journey was on. And after that, last year, one of the reasons to start Monday vlogs was the GoPro. So me and my brother, we bought this camera, GoPro Hero 7. Special thanks to my brother for pushing it, and he said that, okay, it's time, let's buy it. And when we bought the camera, we were pretty much excited, and I was like very happy. Finally, a GoPro has come, and it was there for a week, and then it died. And then my brother one day said, when we didn't have a GoPro, we were cribbing about it. Once it comes, we'll make this video, we'll make that video, but nothing happened. And one fine day I had this thought, okay, now I have a gear, why I'm not making most of it? And I was like, okay, let's do it. And that's the reason how Monday vlogs also started. One reason was consistency, and the other reason was I have a camera and why am I not making use of it? I'm like, okay, let's go for it. And that's how GoPro Hero 7 came into my gear list. And finally, a new member to this gear list is Google Pixel 4a. I've not talked much about it, but soon we'll talk more about it. And Pixel 4a came, and the videos from Feb to till date have been shot using Google Pixel 4a. After Google Pixel 4a came, the last and the latest member to the gear list is this mic, Mano AU04. It's a podcast mic, and by the way, a hint, podcast coming soon. So this is the mic that I purchased finally. So in my 3.5 years of YouTube journey, this is how I have grown. And the reason is not to flex over here. The reason is to tell you that all this happened is because of this camera. This is where it all started, and this is where how I have reached till here. Like if I wouldn't have decided to make videos with my Eureka, I don't think so I'll be here sitting and telling you this and sharing my journey and my gears that I have bought. So the message that I want to give you is that start with what you have and make the most, and your journey will eventually provide. This is what I learned from my journey. I still look back in the days when I used to make videos with my Note 5 Pro, with my Eureka, with the Sony camera. I was like, damn. Thank God that I took the decision of making the videos and never giving up. Because I even faced many issues. There was no stabilization. The Sony phone that I was temporarily using that time had a lot of heating issues. Like if I used to record a 20-second video, it used to heat up and it used to just switch off. There were many issues, but I thought, okay, I can't crave about it, but I can only make the most of it, okay? Because if I wouldn't have made any of the videos, then I don't think so there would be any motivation in me. But I was very happy back then making videos even with those phones, and I'm still happy making videos with this amazing camera that I have today, which I'll talk about it. That's what the journey is about, you know. You have to start somewhere, and everyone has to start somewhere. So if you're a new creator, I'm pretty sure you have a camera. So just start with that and create your amazing journey, create your amazing story, tell the people your story that you have, that things that you have, and make the most of it. And eventually down the lane, one day even you will have the camera that you dream of, or eventually you will have the thing that you dream of. Also, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because that's very important, and that's the thing that keeps me motivated and to connect with you lovely people. And also don't forget to turn the bell on, so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And let me know in the comments what was your takeaway from the video. So yeah, that's it for this video. Gaudy Mela signing off. See you in the next one. Till then, love you and keep creating. That's a wrap.